What up, y'all? It's me, Craig X. We're here for another episode of Chronic Cooking. Once again, we got my man Cody Lindsay, aka the Wellness Soldier. We're gonna do some more cooking with cannabis, fresh out the man's cookbook here. When it comes to things like barbecues and meats and stuff like that, how can we go ahead and work some infusion into that?
So you're not gonna take your cannabis oil, you're not gonna rub your steak, and you're definitely not gonna throw it on the barbecue like that. How come? Because it's gonna burn off all the cannabinoids and everything that you just used. So, what do?
I don't know, you tell me.
We create some sauces.
That makes more sense.
Create some nice accompanying sauces that you can put on top of your meat.
Yeah.
And that's even all the better.
There you go.
We're gonna be doing a chimichurri today, which is a nice kind of oil, kind of marinade slash sauce that you can put on top. And we're also gonna be doing a horseradish cream sauce. We got the Vitamix all pumped up, ready to go. Let's start with the chimmy.
So give us a quick rundown on what are the ingredients.
We got 2 tablespoons red wine. We got a little bit of cilantro. We got some flat leaf parsley. We got oregano. We got garlic. We got a little bit of onion. You can use shallots. You can use red onion. It really doesn't matter. It's up to you. We got an optional jalapeno if you want a little bit of kick. And a little bit of salt and pepper. Throw it all in the blender. It's ready to go.
Oh man, it looks so good. Get it out of the mixer, in the bowl. Total terps, bro. All the terps. Terp City right now. I love it, I love it. Man, that Vitamix did a great job, man. Beautiful. Yeah. Smell. Oh, chef.
Oh, you can smell that nice red wine in there. The garlic's starting to come together. It's beautiful.
Oh, that shit's loud right there. Well, what you got up next? What's the next one?
We got a nice, delicious horseradish cream sauce. So we got the sour cream in the bowl. We're gonna add our horseradish. In the book, I say 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup. It's how much you can stand horseradish.
That shit goes a long way.
It goes a long way, exactly. So this one, for demo purposes, we're only gonna use 1/4.
So go gentle now.
Nice squeeze of a lemon. And then we're just gonna add the chives to it.
So you're just gonna chop some chives.
Chop some chives. Do you want a little sea salt, little drop on top?
Yeah, go ahead and give it a little bit.
Oh.
I seen the dude do it. I seen the dude do it.
And now everything's in there, and before we mix it up, this is when we're gonna add our cannabis oil. The sour cream is going to take the oil, it's gonna emulsify it in there. You're not gonna end up with an oil layer on top of your sauce or anything. It's just gonna emulsify in there very nicely.
In this particular case, again, we're going to go ahead and use the Smiling Buddha infused cannabis oil, which you can get, of course, the Smiling Buddha ink on the websites is the place you need to be for that. Of course, you season to your taste, if you will. Your dose is your dose. We can't recommend it, but he's starting with what, approximately?
Approximately 15 mils.
There you go. Now, of course, you take that, mix it with some other olive oil. You can take it where it's all olive oil, your own. Depending on how heavily you want to have with the infused portion of it, that's your choice. All right, so whip that shit. And that's coming together nice. Oh, I see it's starting to mix quite well as opposed to, yeah, the separation.
The separation, exactly. You're gonna see in there's not gonna be any separation. It's gonna be, that's what emulsified means. Emulsified means oil has combined with another, exactly, has combined with another liquid. All mixed up. You got the horseradish, you got the chives, you got the sour cream, a little bit of lemon. This is good because now you keep your sauce right here. Go make your chicken, steak, fish, whatever.
Put it in the fridge for an hour or something.
Put it in the fridge for an hour, let it marinate.
All right, well, while that marinates for a second, I guess this is where the point where you gotta have some meat to put this on, right?
Some meat.
Yeah?
Let's go fire up some meat.
Sounds good. Okay, meat's done.
Oh, nice. Those look real nice. All right, let's chop them up.
Oh man, that chicken looks good, but that steak, man, slice that up, man. Now is the point where we can go ahead and add the good bits.
You wanna grab the horseradish cream?
You bet, man.
I'll grab the chimney.
So good.
And then we'll do the steak.
Wow, man, that looks delicious. We got these all sauced up, ready to go here. You got that, ready to make it happen. I got these sauces that we made happen. This is the horseradish cream. This is the chimichurri. This is the Wellness Soldier. This is the Expert. This is available for you in the Wellness Soldier cookbook. Cooking with Cannabis. This is Chronic Cooking. I am Craig X. I am quite stoned. You eat this shit, I'm sure you will be too. Tired of talking, chef. Let's get to eating.
Let's get to eating, buddy.
Meat, cheers.
Cheers.